And we are going to start in 2 minutes, so just bear with me. We'll wait till the clock turns 12. Let's see. Can start to see if we find something. Let's zoom out. So we start the session in 1 minute. Like the another time, we will trade at Pocket Option and in IQSense. The preferred broker is IQSense. That's the one that is where we have the best results. It's a little more difficult to trade on Pocket Option, but we will do our best. So in Pocket Option, the trading strategy we use there is a little different than we have on IQSense, but we'll get to that. So we will now start. As always, I will just start with the first one here. Let's see if we find something. Here we have nothing. Let's move on. We have one in the bottom here. Let's prepare one line there. There, let's take it to the green. Let me do one thing here now first. Let's see. I will make myself a little smaller so I don't cover so much of the screen. So let's do it something like this. Let's go back. So if you come down to this green line you see here, that line at IQSense is at 0.612402. So if you come down to this line, we will take a $100 trade. If the line is broken, we will hedge and go directly with another direction. So let's hope that will happen in this session so I can show that. Now let's see what we can do here. I don't like this one that much. Let's open that one. What we're going to do here, we are going to do break off our line. So let's see. We can probably put a line down around here. So if we break this line here, we will then go in with a $50. We will take a $25 on the line. Okay, so you see the line I put now is at 0.8664.7. So we will take a buy line and we will take 2 times if we break. That's how we do it. So now let's follow and see. We are getting close to a trade here now. So it's somehow of hedging here also in a way we can say, but it's working good. Now we're getting very far away from this line here, so let's see if we can find something else. This one is actually paying $98 on the $100 bid. That is pretty amazing. We will take a line here. Same goes for that. If we break, we hedge out of this one. We were close here, I did not follow. That would be a trade. I was making the line here and you see this one came down almost the line. I would have entered on this one. Now we are again there. I'm ready to go down if we close below. Let's see. We'll go 2 times if we close below the line. Looks like he might do so. Now I'll take it on the, if we can go up and retest, we will there, and we go 2 times down. Because we broke the line and then go down. Now let's follow over here. Now let's see. So let's wait and see. 3, 2, and there came in. So you can see the hedging did work here. We did take a buy trade up here. That one did not turn out good, but we did see he broke down. We then got a retest. We did enter 2 times with a hedge down, and we won. So here you see, we lost the one buy, but like I said, if we go down, we'd go a double down, and we did hedge out, and we made money. So basically on this one here, you can see we made $46 and we spent just $25 to make it. So quite easy trade. Now for this one here, we are a little far away. Let's see if we can get a trade here also. Hedging here is actually a little easier because it's more specific, the lines you trade here. Let's see if we can find something. Now we are looking for things like this. You see here, you have a beautiful line. You could trade all this, and here you see here we go straight example, just so you can learn. There, this one would then be red, right? We would have traded all the time on the line. Here you see he broke above and he closed above the line. What you do then? Then you just push up, and then you take a hedge trade, and you will basically just lose $8 from the first trade. All the other trade here you would have won. It's that simple. But now let's remove this one for confusement. Looks like we maybe have something here. Let's see. No, he broke it now, so we will continue. So in a way, we win $92 on every trade, and a losing trade we end up with around $5 or $8 loss. So it's a good ratio there. Now let's take another one. I do not see any I like that much yet. Not here either. It's a very specific setup you're looking for. Let's see here. We see up here, that is a nice setup. Let's see if we can get up there again. We'll now take a horizontal line here. Let's zoom in. You see, now let's remove this one down. I would say here. If we can get up to the line up here, we will easily take a down trade. And if we break it, we will do the same, we will hedge out of the trade. Now let's go over to here again. Let's see if we can find something else while we wait and see if we can get a trade on this one. Now let's see. I don't think we have, I think in the upper line here we might have something. Let's take a line up there. There, let's make it red for no confusement. If you can get up to that line there, let me move it just a little bit. There. If we for some reason close above, we will hedge out of it. But the plan now is we have the line at 0.68359. So if we come up to that line, we will push down. But if we break and close with a bar above this red line, we will then push 2 times higher. Or let's do it simple. Let's take, if we come up here, we take down, and if we go up, we just take 1 time. In that worst case scenario, we just lose $2 on the trade. It's more simple for you to do that. Now we're a little far away on this one and far away here, so then that means we can at least try to look for more trades on this one. Let's see. We do have something up here, but it's going the wrong direction also. Not here either. Like I said, it's a very specific setup you look for, but when you first find it, we print money. Okay, here we, no, I thought we had, down here we have something, you see here. So if we could come down to this line here, that would have been a nice buy trade. So you see that our setups are here, but we need to wait for them, that's the thing. This one is starting to turn a little far away. So while we wait here now we can start to look a little more over on this broker. So down here is a beautiful setup, but very far away. That means a lower here, that would be beautiful. Here I would take buy trades and then hedge if we had lost it. Maybe we can do one here, let's see. Let me take a good look on it first. We can take around there. If we come down to that line, let's push up, and if we break it and we close below, then on the retest we take a lower. Let's see. The thing is much easier here because a broker line is much different than a broker line here. So this broker is much easier to win on a hedge. Now looks like we might have some. No, we do not have. He made a higher. In that case, now I think he will go higher up. Just watch this one now. You see, I told you. Now he started to go up, just because he made a higher here. So this never fails. Let's see if we can find something else. Here we're making a super low. That means we have nothing to go on there now. Let's move on. Where are we now? We are on GBP. Okay, we are on that one, so we can open this one here. Let's zoom out and see. I do not see nothing. No. We are following this one also. In Forex, this is one of my favorite pairs. Binary option, I don't have any favorite, to be quite frank with you. I can trade anything. Does not matter where it is. GBP USD is one of my favorite when it comes to Forex also. Now let's see. Today there were not many setups. Before today we did trade binary option for another class I had, and we were printing money for IQSense. So let's see if we can do that again. We are following here now. Now I'll take a break from IQSense and follow this one because we are getting very close to a trade here. Now let's see. Let's see. We need a little more down. I should have taken it there. Should have taken it there. I was a little slow on the trigger. Yeah. Maybe I get one more chance. No. That was annoying. When we get the trading opportunities. We had it down there. Let's see if we can get down again. That would be nice. Let's see. We are ready. We are in. We broke. Let's see if we end up breaking. I don't looks like it. So that looks like it will be a nice one. Otherwise, we'll do hedge to go down. But this looks to be a beautiful setting. Let's hope he stay up there now. Let's see. 3, 2, and another win. So there we got it. Let's try again if we come down again. Let's see. We're ready to go up again. And there we are in. Not so good entry this time, but let's see. Now we are ready to hedge. There we hedge. So now we have hedging because you see he closed it below the line. So only way we can lose now if he close in between these two lines. Closer we can get the hedging. That means if we get a very good entry, then will be very small chance to lose spot trades. But now we lost the first. Now let's see if we win the hedge. And in that way, there you see we won the hedge. And in that way you see we got a losing trade. We did go wrong. You see the line got broken. But we just lost ourselves $2 on a losing trade. Do you see? So in that way, when we trade a line like this and it's broken, you see it close below. I told you, if you close below this green line here, then we just hedge right away, the other way. And you see we lost the first, and that way we can make our losses super small and our wins high. So you can see now in the session we did now today, you can see that we lost total $50. So if you take a calculation here now, just to see what we have made. So we have lost 2 trades, so that equals to minus 50. And then we have plus 23, plus 23, plus 23, plus 23. So I made a profit of $42 on this session. So this is how you can win even when you're wrong. So hedging in binary option works amazingly. But on this broker it's even much more easy. I will see if I can find an example. Yes, example, perfect. As we did not find the trades here, I will rather show you example how I will do it. So let's zoom in now to this region here. Okay, let's zoom in. Zoom in. Then what I do, I put a line perfect, right? So the way we do them, that every time we come down to this yellow, green line, not yellow but green line, I will take a buy trade. So you would have bought all these trades you see here. Super cool. We are still trading. And here, now what happened here? We broke the line. Then we start to hedge. Okay. When you see a broken line, then you just wait, and there you would have taken it. We win every single trade. We never lose a trade. That's the amazing thing with hedging. Worst case scenario here, we lose $5 in a trade. So once again, hedging with binary option works. It's some crazy times when we can lose both of them, but that is completely very, very strange, because we will put right away, and it's not often that you can lose both of the trades. But yes, it can happen, but it's 1 out of 20 trades maybe that you lose both of them. So it's a way that we can keep our profit much higher. I think we can just close it for now. I think I'm happy with what I have teach today. This free session is for you to copy, yes, but it's also for you to learn. I did not find so much setups for the broker here. Of course, I can go through super fast to see if we get something. If you see a good line, let's make the deal like that. If I find a line here, we will take a trade here. Let's do like that. So let's see, because we have done some trades here, we have done good. I think you got the idea. Down here is a line, but a little far away. Let's see if the Chinese want to give us a trade. No, they don't want to give us a trade either. Dollar against Japanese yen. That one, we don't have nothing. You see down here we have a trade, you see. So here we have a trade, but we are very far away, so that will not happen now. And lastly, dollar against Swedish krona. Nothing. So I think we can call it quit there. We got in at least how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades for pocket option, and you should have turned out some profit there if you did follow what I said. So with that, have an amazing day, and I will have a session again tomorrow, but that is for members at YouTube only. So if you want to check that out, tune in, but I will post the trades for binary option in WhatsApp and in Telegram, so you can follow the trades there. These trades tomorrow will only be for IQ cents, okay? So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope you did enjoy, and I hope you made some money.